Right, so there's meant to be something up here, folks, so just have a little initial look, and then if we can't get in there, there's something across the road we can look at. So let's have a little nosy, shall we? Now, is it locked? It's possible it's locked. No, it's not locked. Right, we're getting in here today then. Right, there we go. Now, according to our records, there's some kind of building down here which has been on the radar for a while again. So we're doing stuff today which has been on the radar for a while, folks. So and of course we've got a good weather window today, so that's why we're out smashing it up, folks. Smashing it up, I mean smashing the videos out for you folks. So but that noise over there, that's a shit sucker thing which is clearing out some kind of cesspit. I tell you something, folks, it's umming, it's stinking. Right, so I think what we're going to look at is a hide. I think we're coming to a hide. We've never been here before, so we don't know what to expect. So I can see what we're looking at. Here we go. So it looks to be open, so we shall have a look. Flipping heck. Right. Oh yeah, look at this. Bloody hell. You wouldn't know it's here, would you? If you didn't know it was here, you wouldn't know. Right, let's have a little look here a minute. Oh yeah, oh there's a bird, look. Can you see them? Wow. I can't get some food, so some bird food here. Going to entice them a bit though. That's a robin. That's a robin. Can you see the robins there, folks? Look. Wow. Look, they're coming. Look, they're coming. Look, look, look. How many birds is there now? 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 5 little, 6. God, there's loads, folks. Wow. Look at this. Oh, brilliant. That is awesome. God, there's loads of them there now. Oh, I'm so glad I've done that. Can you see them, folks? If you've got cats, right? If you've got cats and you're watching this now, I bet they love this, don't they? Eh? Our little Louie that we lost would love this. Yeah, I think because of our situation at the minute, because obviously we're moving home before too long, once we settled into our new place, we're going to get another cat, folks. I don't think it's wise we do it right now, but our little Louie we had, he would be delighted with watching this. Oh, that bigger one's chasing the little ones off, look. Look at them. Wow. I don't know if there's any finer seed there. I'll see if I can find some finer seed in it, so that will be like that, wouldn't they? No, I don't know what there is. No, it's only those nuts. for any of those nuts there, folks. See, little tiny one, he's a little dink, isn't he? Oh. I think they're probably used to people coming down here and feeding them. There's quite a few there, isn't there? Blimey. Didn't expect this, folks. Really did not expect that. They're little dinks, aren't they? And we've got two bigger birds out in the river there. They're ducks or geese, aren't they? Oh, look, up there, look, there's an actual abandoned building up there. Bloody hell. That's why we're really here, to see the abandoned stuff, not for dicky birds, but you know, we'll keep it going till about 7 minutes and then we'll head back. Well, I hope you're enjoying this, because this was a turn up for the book. See little Robin there, he's a little cute, isn't he? KERNOW EXP does wildlife. They've got a feast there now, haven't they? Righto folks, hope you enjoyed that one. We will be back again. So we're just going to shut this up the way we found it. Always put things back the way you found them if you can. There you go. And yeah, we're going to head off now. So we'll put it back exactly as we found it. Shut the door, have a bit of respect for it, folks. So just have a little nosy around here a minute. I don't want to go too far around to frighten the dickies off, but yeah, that's the other side of it there. So yeah, well, I hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to smash the like. If you're new, please subscribe. We've got some brilliant other stuff coming.